Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, I'm the sole director of a public company. It's not listed, but it is registered as a charity. It needs to go into liquidation. How do I go about putting it into liquidation? So the answer to this question is that the directors of the company, in this case sole director, need to hold a meeting and resolve at that meeting to call a meeting of the shareholders, also known as members, for the members to consider liquidation of the company. So the directors hold the meeting and prepare a notice of a meeting for the shareholders, who are also known as the members. Typically, that requires about 21 days notice, or whatever is required in that company's constitution. Then the meeting of members, which is also the shareholders, is called, and at that meeting, the shareholders consider whether they wish to vote to put the company into liquidation. If, according to the Constitution's voting requirements, enough of the members vote to put it into liquidation, then the company goes into liquidation at that meeting.